For 2025, NCMC is expected to develop a theme. What is that theme? After a situational assessment of Jamaican landscape, we have selected the theme, Act Now, Stand Against Child Abuse and Exploitation, for the Child Month of 2025. This theme addressing a pressing and heartbreaking reality that violence and abuse against children remain a critical public health and human rights issue in Jamaica. The Child Protection and Family Services Agency reported that 43,312 cases of child abuse between January 2019 and December 2020, averaging 60 reports per day. On a global scale, the CDC estimates that 1 billion children experience violence each year. Based on the recent statistics from the crimes committed against children for the years 2020 to 2024, 168 children between the ages of 0 to 17 were murdered. 1,439 were victims of rape. 2,576 sexual offenses. 351 shootings.
Make sure the people them safe everywhere. Act now, don't wait till tomorrow. Make this smile them life tomorrow. Stand strong, no sit up and hide. Child abuse in all let slide.
If Jamaica is to achieve the goals of Vision 2030, to become the place of choice to live, work, raise families, and do business, we must do more to protect our children. What are we planning to do about this? The National Child Month Committee is taking a firm stance. We are calling on every Jamaican to join us. Some say, it's not my place to ask or tell if I notice abuse. We say, we won't go quietly in the night. Rather, we will rage against the dying light. Silence is a heavy chain that binds a child and cripples their prospects. How can we hide behind the mask? Each time we hush or shift our gaze, we leave a child lost.
No more hush, hush, no more shame. Every little voice to call out name. No more hush, hush, no more shame. Every little voice to call out name.
The NCMC is pleading with you to act with us. We have a schedule of activities. The first one is our media launch, and we're talking about it. Event 2, our church service on Saturday, May the 3rd, 2025 at the Northern Caribbean University in Mandeville. Event 3, our National Children's Day for Friday, May the 16th. And what color do you wear? Sunshine yellow. Sunshine yellow. Event 4, our National Day of Prayer, Wednesday, May 28th. This is to foster a sense of unity and solidarity. Event 5, our Care Package Distribution Day, May 30th, to provide at least 500 primary-age children with food supplies. We partner with private and public entities to source food supplies for the children in need. We have a calendar, our May calendar, to provide tips to adults to help them to get in the know. What can I do from where I stand, and how can I help? We encourage you that if you are not able to participate in our activities, create your own. Be that guy, a child's keeper. Act from where you stand. Let us, as our mandate implores us to do, use the month of May nationally, recognize as Child Month to educate the public about the needs of children and to inspire action at every level to support them.
Jamaica rise! Protect we youth! Speak the truth! Defend the road! Act now against child abuse! Act now against exploitation!